Hi guys, welcome to this new lesson. Now let's talk about the dashboard and the app builder. This is the dashboard and this is the app builder. In today's class we will study the dashboard, but let's see it within the platform. To start, this is the web page of FlutterFlow. You can create a new account clicking here in Start for Free. As you can see, you have different options to create a new account. In my case, I already have an account, so I will click here, sign in. And you can see here the dashboard. This is the dashboard. To start, let's talk about this entry, projects. Here we have all our projects that we have created here in FlutterFlow. You can create a new project clicking here on Create New. And you can see here some templates that we will study later. The second entry is this, my organization. This part is very useful if you have a team. In my case, in this account, I don't have a team, but in case you have a team, you can use this part to organize your team. Another entry is this, marketplace. In this marketplace, you can find a lot of templates to use in your project. You have to pay to use some templates, but also you have a lot of free templates. For example, in my case, I want to use this. Just click here. If you want to check this template before to use, you can click here. And here we have this template. Okay. Now, if you like this template, you can use this clicking here in Add Now. Remember that this is a free template. You don't need to pay to use this. Click here in Add Now. Perfect. And you can see here the template. And here you can create a new project using this template. You only need to click here on Create Project. Perfect. Let's close this. So it was the marketplace. Now let's see the next point, resources. You can see here a lot of resources to learn more about FlutterFlow. For example, here we have the documentation. You can use the documentation to learn more about FlutterFlow. In the course, we will use a lot of times this documentation because this is the official guide to learn FlutterFlow. In the same way you have these other options, even you can see here YouTube tutorials and community tutorials. I suggest to check this part. It will allow you to learn more about FlutterFlow. Finally, we can see here this part, community. In this page, we can see all about FlutterFlow community. For example, announcements, updates, or even jobs in FlutterFlow. For example, we can see here the new features in FlutterFlow. In case you have a doubt about FlutterFlow, you can ask to the community here. It's very useful. And in the same way, you have other entries. I suggest you check that. Perfect. So this is the dashboard, and see you in the next